Eric B's Daily Vlogs.
Today's an update video of the Steiner Street Bridge that they're supposed to decommission next weekend, Memorial Day weekend. But they already, I'll show you what they already did. Let's get this started.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Welcome everyone, it's my daily vlog channel, Eric B's Daily Vlogs. Taking a walk down Steiner Street because last week when I did the whole bridge update and talked about how they're going to tear down Steiner Street Bridge, pedestrian bridge, that was actually the last time anyone got to get on it, because the very next day they closed the entrance, the spiral entrance, and then the other entrance. They closed that all down because I guess they got to clean up the area first, get rid of all that drug paraphernalia before they decided to start construction or deconstruction or tearing it down, whatever you want to say. So let's go walk over there. Let's go check this out. Let's go. Let's go. Gotta go through a maze of homeless people first, so let's go walk through them. Let's go. I went and sent the mayor a message. That guy just walked by me, pretty potent on the smell, but like I said, you see a park right there, families and kids. This whole building right here is a school. Excuse me. KIP, Gateway High School. This is a school, and any other ordinary day without this COVID-19, the school would be open. But it's not, so this is what kids would have to walk through. This is what they have to walk through just to get to the other side of the pedestrian bridge.
Why don't you just type this? 10 meter and Sun Country.
See all the little stuff that they have here. They got a big urban tent. Ooh, the smell is potent. There's usually a car that's parked here, an SUV with a bunch of garbage that's in it. And you got more garbage right here. I'm not here today. See, they leave the garbage laying all over the place, and the city has to come up and clean it up. And when we say the city, we, taxpayers, San Francisco taxpayers, are the ones paying for that. And then you have another park right over there, 100 foot away, and then more garbage right there. We're the ones that has to pay for this. We're the ones. So hoping they move them out. Again, there's usually another homeless van or SUV that's here, and just looking at it, it's across the street. It's across the street by the playground, right over there. So it's probably going to make his way over here, because it's probably street cleaning, and that's probably what they end up doing. But that's not what I'm here to rant and rave about. I just wanted to let you know that that's what people have to walk through every day when they have to come this direction. But this is what I came here for, so let's check this out. So last week when I came here and I said this will be the last time that I walk up and down this bridge, I wasn't joking. This is the very last time, because look what they did. They started tearing down the fence that goes around it. You see the green fence there? The green fence is no longer here. You see a bunch of them on the ground right there. They tore down the fence down here. Or not tore down, they took down. And then you see a bunch of them over there on the other side as well. And this started. Alright, Vloggers Rule 101, make sure your mic is plugged in. I mean, I was still getting audio, but it was more the onboard mic on this DJI Osmo Action. Little wind, little background noise, and then it paused for some reason. I don't know why, but back to action, back to motion. And as I was saying, yes, they started the, not deconstruction, but the tear down of the Steiner Street Bridge. And the green fence that you see all on the ground right here, that used to once be up there, is no longer up. So if you were just happen to sneak up there, climb the fence and try to skateboard down, it's going to be kind of scary because there's nothing holding you back. And across the street over there, we're going to go check that area out as well because it looks like they tore down part of the fence also. Yes, when I said last week was the last time that I'm getting on this bridge and I invited you guys to come check this bridge out before they tore it down, if you didn't come within 24 hours of me posting that vlog, then you missed out because last week was the last time this bridge was up and operational. Again, you can see how it looks behind me. The teardown, the deconstruction has started. They started. So once the fence is down, once everything's down, most likely, I think they're probably going to wait till the middle fence. If you see the middle fence that goes along Geary, right up that direction, they're probably going to start tearing that down come Memorial Day weekend when they close down Geary Boulevard. So they started. I thought they were going to start on Friday before Memorial Day weekend. They started a lot earlier than that. Kind of looks weird looking at it without the fence, but the ones that the people really have to be careful of is cleaning that area in there where I saw the syringes. When I came here, I think it was Thursday after I did the vlog, this whole area was covered in white plastic. Like they had it wrapped in white plastic. Why? Maybe because they didn't want to get any dust particles. They didn't want to get anything, onto the street. But the teardown has begun. And you can see from down here looking up, they tore down the fence that leads all the way up towards the Geary side. This is the pedestrian walkway, so they're probably not going to tear this down till they close the street. And it goes all the way across as well. And there's parts on that side that's tore down. So we're going to walk across the street and go check out the teardown process of the Steiner Geary Boulevard pedestrian bridge. And look, all eyes are still on me. There's some of the fence that they tore down. There's that big plastic covering that I told you about right over there. We're gonna make our way across the street, check out the other side over there. That rendering that they took of that shows this whole area. It shows a clear view of the skyline in the back without the pedestrian bridge. And like I said, they tore down that side of the bridge as well, which is kind of good because this is where those homeless people are, or were when I posted the video last week. But don't get too excited because all they did was move their tents on the corner right over there. The corner where people has to walk. I think this is crazy. Just last week, seriously, last week was the last time that I walked up this ramp. Walked up these stairs, walked up the ramp, walked up that way, stood in the middle for a while, checked out the view going up and down Geary, and look at it today. Gone. Well, almost gone. Closed. Soon to be gone. Soon. When I was here last time, you had that tent, like I said, that was right over here, and there's a lot of garbage. Now the tent's moved over. The garbage soon come right after that. But as we pan back and we look at what soon will be gone, the decommission, the construction, the teardown process Yep, I walked up those stairs right there. Made my left, walked up the ramp. And if you could look at the picture right there, that's the rendering. Again, the rendering, it's supposed to give a clearer view. They're still keeping what looks like the pedestrian walks or the mediums that these are holding right here. So that's still going to hang out. That looks like it's still going to be there. With the bridge, it's going to be gone. I just saw a scary sign, and the reason why they're tearing this down, look at that danger sign right there. Can you read it? It says lead work area. So if this was built in the 60s and never remodeled, renovated, or replaced in some sort, there's lead in these pipes or in these steel fence. So if you were one of those people that always like to touch the fence, then yeah, that's kind of scary. So I'm gonna step back this way because I saw a dead rat over here. So I'm gonna step back this way and walk back on Geary. I was getting ready to walk over there, and you see a dead rat right there. So I'm pretty sure once they tear this area down, there's going to be a lot of, see the sign? Lead work area. So this whole thing is full of lead, and lead's the only material that Superman can't see through. So if Superman had to be here right now, he couldn't see through any of this fence. But you can see the fence line over there being torn down. I always wonder how foliage can grow on something like this. I mean, I can tell the difference between some of the foliage that grows on here, but I always wonder how can foliage grow on all cement. It always makes me wonder. This is that one fence line area, or this one ramp. They said that was too steep for pedestrians to walk over, or not pedestrians, but people in wheelchairs to go over. They said once they started going up, if you had a manual wheelchair, you couldn't really, you'd struggle. If you had an electric wheelchair, a little easier, but if you had to go the opposite and come down in a manual wheelchair, probably burn your hands. And on an electric wheelchair, hope you had brakes, because that does look pretty steep. Once this area is down, it's gonna, again, brighten up the area right now. Like right now I'm in the sun, but if I stand just a few feet this way, now I'm in the shade. So it really depends on how you look at it. The pedestrian bridge is kind of cool because you can walk up and over. But like I said in last week's vlog, it takes you a little while to go up the ramp, come over, versus the crosswalk that they added over here. So I guess it's good. I guess it's good for the community. It's gonna brighten up this area, which this area definitely needs. It does. That car just ate it, trying to turn the corner. Just trying to turn the corner right there and just pretty much lost it. But this medium right here, it looks like in the rendering photo is gonna stay. The medium over there on the other side, it looks like it's gonna stay as well. You do got the crosswalk, that's still gonna be here. I think what they plan to do is make this medium a little bit shorter, because now it doesn't have to hold the bridge. But this medium, all it does really, it separates this lane, because you got the bus coming from that direction right there, and then that right lane is a right turn only. So that's all you have. And then you have the cars that are coming from downtown using this lane right here, and those two other lanes on the other side. There's 3 other lanes on the other side. It's going to be the traffic that's coming underneath the Fillmore Bridge. So once this widens up and it opens up, it's going to look cool. I mean, you know, this bridge has been here since 1962. Couple retrofits. I guess it's time to go. It's time to go. Hate to see it go, but it's time to go. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. A nice update of what's going to happen to the Steiner Street Bridge, the Geary Boulevard Bridge, whatever you want to call it. It's on Steiner Street, it's on Geary Boulevard. So within the next couple days, bridge is going to be gone. Geary Boulevard will be closed. So walk a different direction, drive a different direction. Make sure you're not going to be in the way when they do the demolition of the Geary Street Pedestrian Bridge, the Steiner Street Pedestrian Bridge, whatever you want to call it. Don't be here when that happens, because what's going to happen, it's going to be a bottleneck of traffic. I bet you. Thumbs up. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. That's what I was trying to say. Took the weekend off, and this is what happened. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Another full week. It's going to be a crazy week for me, so I'm going to try really hard to get some vlogs here and there. I got my DJI Osmo Pocket back, but I'm not going to use it. They gave me a refurbished one like I thought they would. Thank you, DJI, for doing that, because I knew the battery replacement would be a little more difficult. So they gave me a refurbished one. So I'm actually thinking about getting rid of it, selling it. So if you're in the market for a pocket-sized camera, if you're a new YouTuber, leave me links, leave me a comment down below with some info where I can reach out to you. So I'm probably not going to use it. We'll see, because I'm using this Osmo Action right now, and I am going to upgrade my Canon G7X Mark II, and I'm going to get the G7X Mark III, and that way that's going to be my go-to camera. This will be my go-to camera if I'm doing small things like that, and my Canon Mark III is going to be my go-to wherever I go camera. So update, keep you updated, all that stuff. Pedestrian Bridge coming down soon enough. Thumbs up again, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Vlog's ended. Go in peace. This is what I mean about that one lane. One skinny lane. And you saw that car that scrubbed right over there. So removing this right here will probably be good, because in all honesty, I'm not going to need it once this pedestrian bridge is gone. Once it's gone, it'll be gone forever. Erased from existence.
I made this.